Hello guys, this is Pani and welcome to Spartech. Today I have with me a micro hi-fi system from Sony, model number CMT BT60. This is a very old music system from Sony that comprises of a CD player, Bluetooth, NFC functionality and a radio that has stations for AM and FM frequencies to tune in. This is a tear down video, so without wasting time, let's get started. First we have to take out all these screws here, you can see here and also at the corners. Then we have two more screws to take out inside these coverings. You can see guys, the screw is inside this hole and we have to take out these two screws, here one and here another. Now let's take out the upper cover. Here you can take this out and can have access to the internals. Let's disconnect these two FFC connectors first and separate the front grill of this micro system. This is the 7 segment LED display. Now let's take out the disc layer by removing the 4 screws from here, here, here and here, and also you will remove the flex cable connected here, and also there is another flex cable down below. Okay, let's remove the CD player. Okay, as you can see, the flex cable are blocking the CD player to come out. I have to very carefully remove this. Okay guys, there is one more cable at the back, let me show you that. Let's first take out the flex cable here. I think I should remove the entire CD fixing unit to take out the flex cables. Here are other screws, you can see here, there is one more here and another here and here. I have to take out all these 4 screws so that the whole CD unit comes out and I can disconnect the flex cables. Okay, came out. Now let's take out this connector. It is very easy now to pull it out. See, very easily it came out. Now you can see the flex cable that we have already removed. Its one end is connected to this motherboard. Now we can easily take out the disc player unit and let's keep it aside here. Now this is the base unit to keep the CD player steady. As you can see, the CD player also have this plastic vibration mounts to keep the CD player steady while reading the CD. Now this is the main motherboard, guys. You can see there are many more flex cables connected here. We have to take them one by one, and also we have to mark them so that we can connect them later without any confusion. After removing all the flex cables and connectors, now it is time for taking out this PCB unit. For that we have to remove all the screws. One is here, one is here, one is here beneath this protective metal covering, and there is another here. Now let's remove this USB interface and aux input interface PCB. For that there are two screws inside this. Let me show you. One is here and one is here. Now we have to remove these two screws so that we can remove the PCB. Okay, this is the USB input and aux input PCB. Via this USB we can charge our mobile devices as well as we can play the songs inside a flash drive. And this is the aux input port, and this PCB is interfaced with the main board so that we can play the songs. Very bad condition.